I was about to pay someone $300 to do my taxes when I discovered this H&R Block promo code that saves you 20% on their online tax software. Before you stress about tax season like I almost did, click the link in the description below to grab this deal while it's still available. Look, I get it. Tax season feels like choosing between expensive professional help or confusing software that makes you second-guess everything. But here's the thing about H&R Block. They've been doing this since 1955. We're talking about a company that handles 1 out of every 9 tax returns in America. Their online software gives you that same professional-level expertise, but from your couch in your pajamas. The 20% discount makes their premium software cost less than most basic competitors. You get step-by-step guidance, error checking, audit support, and they guarantee your maximum refund. Plus, if you have questions, you can chat with actual tax professionals right inside the software. I used it last week, and honestly, it walked me through everything, from uploading my W-2 to finding deductions I didn't even know existed. The whole process took maybe 2 hours, and I saved both money and my sanity. Tax season doesn't have to be this overwhelming nightmare we all dread. Click that link in the description, use the promo code, and thank me later when you're getting your refund, instead of stressing about whether you did everything right.